Hey guys, it's Justine and I'm so excited because I'm working on a series of 3 videos. They are going to be shot stereoscopically and we're using the Z-Cam, which shoots 5.7K. This is actually a 3D video and it's also 180 if you happen to be watching without a headset. To get this whole project edited, we needed a really powerful PC, something that was powerful enough to run VR software and the Z-Cam software specifically. And I also selfishly wanted a new powerful PC for gaming. So right here, we have the Origin PC Millennium, and what's really exciting about this is it's running a limited edition Intel i9 processor. And it also comes in a crate, which is something that's very interesting to me because we have to figure out how to open it. Ugh. But if there is one thing that I do have is a lot of will and a lot of knives. Bigger knives. Holy crap, that's heavy! I've never used a chainsaw before in my life. Let's open this thing up. I feel like I need some eye protection because this can get very dangerous. Somebody went shopping at the hardware store. Me. The hardware store did not have a fitting room. This stinks. Did I buy these boots just for this? No, I actually bought it from a Halloween costume last year. Squeaky shoes. So I gotta put this on first. We might have a problem because if I can't figure out how to put on a safety helmet, I probably shouldn't use a chainsaw. Theirs doesn't look like mine. By the time I get my safety gear on, it's gonna be some sort of disaster. I don't know. I'm going to throw this thing across this garage.
Oh, look. See how it has the little feet? Yeah, exactly.
That's what I was doing. Here's the directions.
I got it.
We're following them. Oh, look at this, look at that. Oh, if it's the other one. Oh boy. So, okay. So let's see if this is gonna work because now it's really tight. I think I'm on. And now, we're ready for the unboxing. Bad idea. Huh. Oh! I've never had more fun in my entire life than making this first cut. Pardon me, throwing knife. Mommy's got a job to do. We have a really big problem. I really enjoyed that. I think I enjoyed it way too much. I could do this all day. If anybody needs anything cut up, you know where to find me. Let's open her up. This made way less mess than I thought it was gonna make. Here she is. Welcome home, my precious child.
I guess I could probably take off my safety gear now.
Since we didn't use our throwing axes yet, great time to use them. These are so sharp.
Oh my God, how do I get it out of here?
I know that I'm making this more difficult than it needs to be. What did you do? What did you do? Oh, man. Got some power cables here, some more accessories. Take that upstairs. But now let's do the unveiling. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, look at you. Yes. Oh man, you look great. Welcome home. We made it upstairs, and obviously there's a lot of sounds happening. We've got the air conditioning running, we've got my server over here, but now we're gonna have a new machine to add to the mix. So let's spin this around, and the first thing that you'll see right here is it says this is not a lift point, so if you were to pick this up, this magically comes off, and this is where you have all of your USB ports. There's also an HDMI and some Ethernet. So this is where everything is secretly hidden. We gotta take out the packaging from inside of here. This is just magnetic. This is my dog Stick. Hey Maddie, come here, do you want a stick? Maddie, come here, see what I have for you. Weird, why is he not moving? I don't know. All right, Maddie. Let's take all this out. Okay. So now we're down on the floor here with our new PC. So this has an unlocked 9th gen Intel Core i9 9900KS Special Edition processor. And this is one of the best gaming desktop processors from Intel, with up to 5 gigahertz all-core turbo and 16 threads of processing performance right out of the box. Or shall I say, crate. We've got the MSI Z390 Gaming Edge AC motherboard. We have the 8 gig NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080. We have 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. We have a 1 terabyte Western Digital solid state drive, and we also have a 12 terabyte mechanical hard drive. So now, with all that being said, let's set this thing up. I also ripped my pants. I can't imagine how that happened today. There's also some accessories in here that I need. An angled HDMI, since you have to plug this in and put the cords through the top. Got a power cable. And I think that's all I need for the time being. Time to boot this thing up. There are so many LED lights in this thing. This is absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that. Hey, if you turn the lights off, will you be able to see it? Hey Siri, turn off all my lights. I mean, have you seen anything more beautiful? It's all booted up. I have one of the LG ultra-wide monitors. What should I do? Should I go watch one of my own YouTube videos? Okay. Well, it looks like everything is set up. All of the drivers are installing. All of the Windows updates are happening as we speak. I plan on doing a bigger video talking more about this computer, my experience. I also want to redo this whole desk setup with all of the Chroma Pink Razer stuff that I have. It's gonna look amazing. Before we go back downstairs to show you how I actually took this out of the crate, just enjoy this beautiful machine in 3D VR. alert, I didn't actually use a chainsaw while the computer was inside of it because that is absolutely not the proper way to do this. So I'm gonna open this the proper way and show you what I did before I destroyed the box. What we gotta do is take out a few screws. Caution, please follow the instructions below to safely unpack your system. Top is removed. As a side note, always be careful with power tools and do not try to open up your Origin PC crate with a chainsaw. And if you do, make sure the computer's not in it. All boxed up, ready to destroy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was so much fun, and a huge thank you to Origin for sending me this new machine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look for a full setup tour and overview of this computer and where my new setup is. So with that, I'll see you guys later.